Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cake fried rice updated. Start by prepping cold rice, crumbled cake, beaten eggs, diced veggies, and soy seasoning. Heat a wide pan until very hot and add oil in a thin layer, then fry ingredients in batches to avoid steaming. Stir constantly and adjust heat to maintain crisp edges while keeping a tender interior. Finish with sesame oil and fresh herbs to balance sweetness. Gather your ingredients early so cooking flows smoothly. Use day-old rice and moist cake to create a satisfying texture that holds together without getting gummy. Prep diced vegetables, beaten eggs, and any protein you like, and set out soy sauce, sesame oil, and salt. Having tools and ingredients ready keeps the pan hot and prevents overcooking. This small prep step improves flavor and speeds up the final stir-fry process. Keep the heat high and cook in small batches so each grain gets exposed to the pan and becomes slightly crisp. Toasting the cake crumbs briefly concentrates flavors and reduces excess moisture. When you add soy or salt, do it in small amounts and taste as you go, because sweet elements can make saltiness pop quickly. Finish with a touch of sesame oil for aroma and a quick toss to combine flavors evenly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.